Hi all, let's talk about Wits Appraisal. Wits Appraisal is an orthodontic cephalometric measurement used to assess the anterior-posterior relationship between the upper and lower jaw, independently of the cranial base landmarks. It was developed by Alexander Jacobson at the University of Witwatersrand at South Africa. Before Wits Appraisal, orthodontists mainly use A and B angle. But A and B angle can become inaccurate because it is affected by the position of the nasal, cranial base length, jaw rotation, facial growth pattern. So, Jacobson developed Wits Appraisal, which does not depend on the cranial base landmarks. Wits Appraisal is measured with the landmarks point A, point B and the function occlusal plane. The point A is the subspinale. It is the deepest midline concavity between the two central on the maxilla, midway between the anterior nasal spine and the posterior. And the point B is the supramandibulate, the point at the deepest midline concavity on the mandibular symphysis between the infradental and the pogonium. For measuring the Wits Appraisal, draw a perpendicular line from the point A to the occlusal plane, that is the point AO. Then draw a perpendicular line from the point B to the occlusal plane, that is the point BO. Then measure the distance between AO and BO. This distance is called the Wits Appraisal. For a class 1 occlusion, BO is situated anterior to the AO by 1 mm. In males, BO is 1 mm ahead of the AO, and females, AO and BO are coincide. In the case of class 2 skeletal pattern, BO lies behind the AO, it gives a positive point, and in class 3 case, BO lies ahead of the AO, it gives a negative range. In the advantages of the Wits Appraisal are, it is not affected much by the cranial base variations, more reliable when A and B is misleading, and give true assessment of the sagittal jaw discrepancy. And its disadvantages are, it depends on the functional occlusal plane, which can change with tooth eruption, wear or the orthodontic treatment. And it's also less reliable if the occlusal plane is abnormal. And it should be interpreted along with the other cephalometric analysis. So, I conclude that Wits Appraisal is a simple, reliable cephalometric analysis used to evaluate the jaw relation and support accurate orthodontic diagnosis and treatment planning. Thank you.